Hello everyone, and welcome to this series of working with the hex editor. So in this in the next couple of videos, let's say, we will start working with the search operations. So how to find and how to replace and do all of that, even using the go to again, all of these let's say operations, okay, in the hex editor. Okay, so we are still working, by the way, with this hello and hello 2. Let's even switch this back to hex and maybe increase the size so you can see. So we still have these two files which we were working with in the past couple of videos. Let's now just continue using them to perform some search operations. So let's start first with the find, which is normally you normally have used it on other applications and in your system, or on your system, I mean. So let's use that. But one thing about this, by the way, is if you pay close attention here down below, it's saying find and it's saying hex bytes. So this means I can search for something or some keyword or whatever data you are searching for in hex. So let's say, for example, we want to search for the byte 57. So what we can do is we can use these arrows, by the way, or all. So let me explain what does that mean. So we can use these arrows. So this means find next here. See this one. Let me even, let's try to where is this? Yep. So let's bring this up here. Okay. So we can see that there's another one, right? Okay. Now it showed up. Great. So if we do, where is the find again? Where did find go? Yep. Here's the results of the find. Okay. So let's look at this. Let's remove the template results. We don't need them now. So let's look at this again. If we do search find 57, our cursor, by the way, was over here, I think, when I did that, and that's why when I did this, the search didn't find it over here. So what happened is, if you can see here, the search wrapped and it started to search back from the beginning. Okay, the search wrapped and started to search back from the beginning. So this is why you can specify the direction. So find next, find previous. So find previous, then now it will, if there was a previous value, it will go back to it. If there is a next value, it will go to the next value available of 57. Okay, let's take another value which probably has more occurrences in the file. So 65. We do 65. Now if we do find, let's start from the beginning, and so we can understand what's going on. So if we do 65, then here is the first 65. Okay, here's the first value of 65. Okay, now if we do next, what will that mean? It will move to the next one. So this is another 65. Next, another 65. Now if we do previous, which is Control F3, then it will go back to the previous one. Okay, go back to the previous one. If we say, hey, give me all of them, so we do this, this will give me this kind of table showing that, okay, we found 9 occurrences of 65. The first one is at offset or at position what? Position 1. If we go back to this one, which is, yeah, it is already, we are already there. We can see it's at this offset. If the other one, you can just click on it, it will take you there, and you can see it's at position, the address or position or offset. All of them, by the way, mean the same thing here. So the address here is 6. You can see that's the next one. The third one is at address 8. So this is where the third one is. The fourth is at D, as you can see over here. And then if we go to the next one, it's at address 15. Why is it 15? Because we have 10 and then we have 5. So just combine them. We have 15. Now, be careful. 15 here is in hexadecimal. What that means in decimal is it's not 15. In decimal, this is not 15. It's actually 21. Okay, from where did you get that? Again, just go back here. Here it is. The position is 21 in decimal and 15 in hex. Why is the one outside the brackets decimal? You remember those were part of the options that we were able to specify here. Sorry, not this one. Where was that? Yep, the file positioning and file size units, all of that in the status bar. So those are from where we are getting them. Okay, so that's it for this video. We'll get into another one. We'll talk more about this in the next video. Thank you.